Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here as usual. Today we're going to be opening up our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for November 2019. This regular Ipsy is now $12 a month. You get 5 makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty samples catered to your beauty profile. And then in Ipsy Plus you get 5 full-size products catered to your beauty profile. This box is $25 a month. In the regular Ipsy bag, I have a different profile than my normal one. This one is more adventurous, more bold makeup, have different age, different hair color, different eye color, all that stuff, just to see if our profile actually really matters. And then this one is my normal profile. It's more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, hair color, all that stuff. I just like to see what the difference is between the two of them, which one is a better deal, and all that good stuff. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of each box, bag, whatever it may be. In the regular Ipsy, I will figure out the sample size value and see if we're getting a good deal. Okay, I think I have all my disclaimers. Let's go ahead and open it up. We will start with our regular Ipsy bag, our regular, not my profile Ipsy bag. Alright, so this month's bag is actually really cute. It is a tan and brown leopard print. I think that's leopard print. And then it's got a little tag right here. It says Ipsy and a little tassel on the little zip enclosure. So yeah, really cute like that. It is a vinyl sort of material, faux leather. Okay. So inside we should have a card right here that'll tell us all the products we're getting. And then it should have the theme for the month, which is Wild Side. I should mention that all the Ipsy bags now let you choose one item that will be in your bag. I don't recall what I chose. Maybe I'll remember once I see it in here. But right now I currently have no idea what's in here. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is from Grace and Stella, which is cruelty-free. This is a blackhead removing mask. There it is. Okay, so I was just checking real quick to make sure it wasn't a clay mask because I don't enjoy those. They tend to dry out my skin even more than it already is. So it's saying it's a black gel peel-off mask and it's made with bamboo charcoal. So I definitely will try this. I enjoy peeling masks. I don't know, I've always enjoyed peeling. Like, remember when you were a kid? Maybe it was just me, but you'd like put glue on your fingers and you let it dry and then you just peel it off. Yeah, I'm into that. So I definitely will give this a try. This is a pretty decent sample size as well, so excited to give this a go. Okay, the next thing I have is The Only Blush by Gigi Gorgeous. Mine is in the shade Pride. It says cruelty-free and vegan right on the back. The packaging is super, super cute. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh, I even like the compact itself. It's really nice. It's like a matte white. Really pretty. Okay, so here's the color. It's looking much more muted on camera than it is in real life. It's like a bright coral sort of color. It does have shimmer in it. Typically not my sort of color, so I probably will just go ahead and save this for a giveaway or hand it off to a friend. Right now I have a lot of blush, which I actually have a lot of everything, but I just don't see myself drawn to this, so I'm not gonna swatch it and use it when I could just give it to someone else. Okay, let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Murad, which is cruelty-free. This is the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And then it says PA+++. Don't know what that means. So it says it brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. There's the packaging. I have a feeling I'm going to open this up and it's going to be a very, very tiny thing in a big box. And I'm right. So here's the box it came in. Here's the tiny little thing. I'm going to smell it. So it definitely has that SPF smell, but it also smells like citrus. So I kind of enjoy this. I definitely will use this. I wear SPF every single day. I live in a state where the sun is out every single day, except for today it's rainy and cloudy and windy. But I do wear SPF, so I will use that. The next thing I have is from Pixi by Petra, which is cruelty-free. So this is the Pixi by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Mineral Bronze. Just an eyeshadow duo. God, I remember I got one of these in my first ever Ipsy bag, like ever, and I loved it. So there it is. They're both shimmers, which I don't mind in a small little duo like this. Ooh. So we will go ahead and give it a swatch. Ooh, very nice. Both shimmery, both very pigmented. I will definitely use it. I like those both a lot. Very nice. They are buttery, has a little bit of fallout, which is to be expected. I'm not mad about that. Okay, so I have one more item in here. This is from Hola Neon. It is a tinted lip balm in Call Me. Okay, so the packaging's a little much. It is safety sealed, so let's rip that off. So here is the color. It is like a brownish sort of thing. I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. It is loose in this tube, so it's like kind of flopping around. There it is. So it is definitely a like tinted balm sort of thing. It looks like a lipstick, but it is pretty sheer. So yeah, I definitely will use it. I like things like this. So they feel comfortable on your lips, and I'm a fan of that. I believe this brand is cruelty free. I can't totally remember, but like I said earlier, check the description box down there where I break all that down. That's everything I got for the Adventurous bag. And I mean, it's sort of adventurous, but sort of not. So it's sort of middle of the road. The only thing that was really adventurous to me was that crazy blush. So not bad. Okay, so now we'll get into the GlamBag Plus. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. Oh, there goes something. Ugh. So we'll go ahead and show this first thing. So this is a brush from Farrah. It's not telling me what it is. I feel like I have this brush. Let's see. So, oh, I think I know what this was. This was my add-on thing. And I think I already have this brush. Let me check. It looks very similar, so I'm just going to go ahead and save this for a giveaway. I think I was having points expire, so I had to pick something, so I just picked this. Nothing on there really caught my eye that I could afford with the amount of points I had, so I just picked this, and I'll just give it away. And now into the bag itself. Alright, the first thing I am pulling out is from Belle and Argent. Is that the name of the brand? Yeah, Belle and Argent, Auteur Creme Lip Color and Smoking on Screen. So there's the packaging. It's actually very pretty. And then there's the color right there. Alright, so the component itself I kind of hate. It's so big and bulky, and it's like plastic. It feels real cheap. I don't like that. Some people might, but it's not my thing. So there is the color. Very pretty. Like I said in a previous video, I like these sort of colors for the fall. So let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It's very creamy. It's definitely something you're going to have to reapply. It's not going to last you all day. But there's the color. It's like a berry or a wine color. I definitely really like that. Okay, and the value of this is 26 bucks. So not something I think I would pay personally. I've never heard of this brand. Maybe it's a great brand, but I've never heard of it. So 26 seems a little pricey. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is the thing I remember choosing for this bag. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion right here. And it says acne control, and I guess I never realized it was for acne control because I don't have acne. It's not something I've really ever struggled with. But I really, really like this lotion. I chose this because I already have it, and I'm just about out. You can see I've got like the tiniest little bit left. It's just a lightweight moisturizer, so I definitely like this a lot. Confused about the acne part of it. I didn't know that was a thing for this one, but I guess it makes sense. If you have acne, you don't want like a real heavy, thick cream that's gonna like clog into your skin and cause breakouts, I guess. So I definitely will hold on to this. Not sure if I'm going to keep it for myself or throw it into a giveaway, but I definitely do approve of this. And the value of this is 40 bucks. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Doucce. This is a Punk Volumizer Mascara, and I think I already own this as well. Let me check my little mascara thing. Oh yeah, so this is what it looks like. I think I got this in another box a long time ago, and I just never really used it. I don't think I've ever actually used it. This is what the wand looks like. It's very thick and fluffy, so I definitely think it would give you volume. I just have so many mascaras right now. I have way too many. So, this is just going to go into a giveaway. Like I said, I just have too much right now. So this is valued at $24, a little pricey again for I think a lesser known brand. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Gigi Gorgeous again. This is the Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Again, really enjoy the packaging. Mine is in the shades Turnt and Extra. Well, that's interesting. So I just opened this up. I've never opened this before in my entire life. And I'm not sure if you can see right there. There's like a swatch or something happening up there. Kind of weird. Like somebody stuck their finger in it. I don't know. I don't know if I want to use that. So this I'm just not going to use. I think it's weird that there's like some sort of abnormality there. So I will probably just contact Ipsy about that. Let me know if anybody else gets this, if they got this item and it has the same thing in there. The colors do look nice though. I do enjoy bronzer, and so yeah. I will contact Ipsy about that. That is valued at $24. Again, it's like an Ipsy branded item. It's a collab. I don't think it's worth $24. That's just what I think. Okay, and then the last thing I have in here is a blush palette from Seraphine Botanicals. It is called the Happy Hibiscus. That's interesting too. So, I don't know. It says a blush palette for all skin tones. So, let's see if they're able to pull that off. This is cruelty free. Not sure if I said that. Okay, so let's see. I guess maybe it could be for all skin tones. So, there it is right there. Interesting. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this yet. That's the sort of thing that kind of irritates me when they make something for everybody, is that there's like one color for me, which is I'm glad there's a color for everybody, but I'd rather just get this one color and not have to waste all those, if that makes sense. So I might not keep this. I'm not sure how I feel about that. The packaging is adorable, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. And the value on that is $48? No. That's not worth $48. No way. Okay. I should also mention that I got another one of those bags. I think this one's slightly bigger than the one from the regular Ipsy bag. Let's take a look. So yeah, it's definitely bigger. I think it's nice that they started putting the bags in the bigger Ipsy bags as well. So yeah. So let's see, overall for the profile, I think it fits the profile pretty well. It's pretty basic sort of makeup, neutral sort of things. So yeah, I think it definitely matches the profile. I think I say this every month, but I prefer the regular Ipsy bag. I don't know what it is. It's not worth as much, but I just think every time it's just better. Maybe it's because the brands are more well-known, like in my Ipsy Plus, maybe Murad is the only well-known thing, and I'm not even sure if it's that well-known or if I just know it so much from all these unboxings that I do. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts, what you think. I'm thinking about just going back to Ipsy versus Ipsy and canceling Ipsy Plus. I would love to know what you guys think. Do you want me to keep getting the Plus so you can see what's in here? Or are you okay with me going back down to a regular Ipsy bag? Let me know down below what you think. As always, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.